Welcome back to episode 5 of the clock project. On this video, we're going to show you how to do OP2 on the back. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. So in our previous video, we talked about how to cut this pocket using adaptive clearing pocketing, and also how to contour just this single line so we can cut this flat. And we have already done that in OP1 of the back right here. So now we're going to work with the setup for OP2 right here, and we're working on this back station on drilling and counter sinking these holes. So let's get right into it. First thing we have to make sure we've done is we have to make sure we've checked this bullet right here so that we're working in this setup. Now both of these are drilling operations, so we're going to go ahead and hit drill, and we're going to go ahead and select our drill. These holes are 1024, so we are going to use a number 7 drill bit for our through holes. So we're going to go ahead and pick this number 7 drill bit, tool number 6, and click OK. We're then going to select under geometry our 4 holes, and we are going to hit select same diameter, and it will collect all 4 of those holes. The problem we have with this is if we zoom in, we notice that it's starting the hole at the bottom of the countersink, which we've not already done. So what we're going to actually switch is the top of the hole to stock top. And then we are also going to click on the drill through bottom so that it comes all the way out. If we look at it from the edge, that these holes come all the way through the bottom. They will drill into the vise here and over here, but that's okay. They've been drilled into numerous times. Both of these are aluminum, and it's only drilling a small amount. We can now go ahead and click OK. And we can see over here that drill number 6 has been created. Our last step is we need to do these countersinks. So we're going to go ahead. This is also a drilling operation, but we're going to switch tools to the countersink, tool number 3, and we're going to hit select. And then we are going to select the same diameter for all of these. And then we are going to come over to heights, and we are going to increase the depth just a little bit of negative 20 thou. I'm sorry, negative 15 thou. And we're going to go ahead and click OK. And what that's going to do is that's going to increase the countersink just a little bit to ensure that the head of our screw is actually below the surface of the back. We can now go ahead and simulate. And if we bring this around, we can go ahead and hit play. And it's going to, oops, I simulated only that one. I need to make sure I click on the top, and we hit simulate. And we hit play. And it says there's one error found. Is probably the error of it's hitting the vise, but that's okay. And then we came in and we did the countersink, which is slightly more. Now, let's talk briefly about how this is going to work out on the machine. We are going to run OP1 on the front station. And when it's done, we're going to take it out, we're going to turn it over, and we're going to put it in the back station. We're going to use a square to align the back of the jaw and this flat to ensure that we clock the 3 holes in the right direction. We're going to put a blank piece of plastic in the front and then reclamp, and then we're going to call up the program for OP2 and run it, and then we're done. We can take it out, and we should have at that point 2 complete parts. Last step is to post-process. We're going to go ahead and hit post-process. All of this should be the same. Your use G0 should also already be checked from before. So we go ahead and hit post. Do we want to override it? Yours won't say that, but I've already done this, so I'm going to hit yes. I'm going to open the code, and the code should be relatively short. It's just 2 drilling commands. That concludes our video on OP2 of the clock back. It also concludes our video series on the clock project in general. Please hit like and subscribe and ring the bell. I am just a lonely teacher trying to teach kids how to do this. If you like this video, I have other videos talking about fusion, both in design and manufacturing, that you might find enjoyable. So you can find those on my channel, Mr. Sechrist, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.